Today we have a home with a secret gate to Narnia. Noah and Liam are gonna go with us. Let's go explore.
So one of my favorite things about this house is it is a great location, and I wanted to show you a little bit of it.
Great thing about this house is it has 4 bedrooms. In addition to that, we have 2 living spaces. So you can have the kids in here, you can have the adults in here.
So this backyard has a really low maintenance, which is great here in Redding. So we just got a little bit of grass over here, and then we have a great gazebo.
And here's a secret about this home. There's a gate that leads to Narnia. Trust us, we've tested it.
I'm JR and this is Noah, this is Liam, the 2 hardest working real estate agents, and we ensure that sellers get the best buyer at the highest price and that buyers get great terms on their home.